When it comes to building tough, dependable cars at America's most affordable prices, Yugo leads the way.
A lot of people have an emotional connection with the Yugo because a lot of people living in the countries of ex-Yugoslavia, I mean Croatia and the other countries as well, drove a Yugo. It was their first car, or it was their friend's first car, or their parents drove it, and they have some nice memories connected with the car. People that came on a tour with me were from all over the world. Croatians are also interested in finding something new about their country from the Yugo perspective. The only Yugo nostalgia that I have is for the Yugo car.